Hey guys, finally it is time to see if I can solve this problem that was hanging over my head like a dark cloud for the past year, and it is regarding the cartridge of the turbine of the Lancia. And finally I have, just yesterday I got the package with the new cartridge, and now I'm gonna open it and we are gonna see if this is gonna be the same and if it is gonna fit on my turbine. And if it is the case, I'm gonna be so relieved and I can finally get excited about this project and get it moving forward, because this was something that I couldn't find. I was trying to do so for a while, and as I tried to find a solution to this problem, I actually ordered this one, this turbine that I showed you in the previous video. So I ordered this one, but it has significant play. It is radial play on the axle, and it is way too difficult for me to get to this turbine. It doesn't worth the risk to just mount this thing. And when I found the new cartridge, I was so excited, and I will stop rambling about this. I'm gonna jump right into opening and trying to get the dimensions to see if this is gonna work. Let's go! So I cannot be more excited about this, but I will hold it in just a little bit more because I want to make sure that everything is gonna work before I start jumping around from happiness. So there is some paperwork. This is actually a warranty for the turbine. As you can see, it is 100% balanced. Oh, it is so turbocharger system. This is getting my hopes up. At the moment, I'm curious to see what is going on inside. This is a surprise. It has a plate and it is significant on top of that. Not long ago I replaced cartridge I wanted to boost my Reno that I have. It is 2.2 diesel engine, 4-cylinder diesel engine, 150 horsepower, the same as this one. Actually, it is a bit 3 horsepower more powerful. And I ordered new cartridge and I replaced the existing one, and when I got it, it was no play at all. But this one has a play. This is kind of disappointing. Anyway, let's see if it is the same. Yes, 87 millimeters, the both of them. .95. So far so good. Pretty much the same. So far so good. Let's see if here everything is in order. The best way is going to be to directly try and screw one of the bolts from the old one. This is strange. Nope. We have a problem. Okay. These are the same, but on this thing, this is 14 millimeters, I'm guessing. Yep, not 12. Okay, this is a problem. Let's see if the oil holes are the same as well. Apparently this is gonna work as well. I know it is weird to do it this way, but I'm kind of in a rush. I have to go to get some of the other parts that I've ordered and the head from the metal workshop, so I can't waste that much time dealing with this thing. But there are two things that are puzzling me at the moment. One is the lack of that rubber seal that is supposed to be here, and the second thing is the play on this thing. As I mentioned on the Reno that I did, when I get the new cartridge, it was so tight and so precisely done. I was just amazed. I know that these things have to have a little bit of play when they are new. This is completely fine, but still it is more than enough play. That means that the part that I have, the other turbine, I mean the old one that I just showed you, it has just a little bit more play than this. So probably it would have been okay for me to install that, but anyway, I think this is the better solution at the moment, and I'm gonna try to find another not like this one, but as you can see, the one that I have is from 20 millimeter to 14 millimeter, and I'm just gonna have to find another one that is 14 millimeter to 14 millimeter, and that is gonna solve my problem. I was hoping to avoid this type of problems, but I guess this is my luck at the moment. I can't just install this thing. I have to find the rubber seal, appropriate rubber seal for here, and of course new bolt for this water line. And because this is on the petrol engine, it has the cooling liquid flows through the turbine, so this is this line for, so I'm gonna have to find another piece like this. This is gonna be all for now. I'm gonna go and try to get the other parts and find these parts that I need, and I can be ready to prepare everything and then start assembling. So there is a bit of paperwork inside as well. Let's see. Okay, so we have it. I stand corrected. We have the rubber seal and a new gasket for the oil line underneath the turbine, which is nice. So this is all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Stay safe and see you in the next one. Bye for now.